The sun creeps up, it's a brand new day. Garbage trucks roll out in a rhythmic sway. Red lids standing strong, ready to go. Yellow lids shining bright as the city starts to glow. Sorting our waste, every color has its place. Together we rise for a cleaner space. Solar resource recovery, driving the change. Picking up the pieces, not feeling strange. With red, yellow, green, we make our mark in the heart of the city, igniting a spark and no. Green lids for the scraps, nature's best surprise. Recycling our future under open skies. In the early morning, we hear that sound. The trucks are rolling in, spreading hope all around. With every bin we fill, we take a stand for a greener tomorrow. Let's lend a hand. Solar resource recovery, driving the change. Picking up the pieces, not feeling strange. With red, yellow, green, we make our mark in the heart of the city, igniting a spark and no. Here's to the lids and the trucks that rolls, restoring our planet, making